Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn the next part of information transfer and interpretation of data, that is, line graph or the graph or line graph. In the previous lecture, we learned about the flow chart, pie diagram, bar diagram, table, and tree diagram. That is about the information transfer, how you are going to transfer any information from one type to another type, from descriptive presentation to the visual presentation or the visual information. See, in this lecture we are going to learn graph or line graph. A line graph is a way of depicting graphically how two quantities or two pieces of information are related to each other. It also displays how they are different in relation to one another. This is a set of crosses or dots which are joined together, forming a line. It is useful to show the trends or developments for explaining the growth of multiple areas at the same time. So, in a line graph, you are going to learn how it is a graphical presentation of the information. There is only line drawn with the help of the information. Here is an example. Here is an example of line graph showing the economy of Assam during the decades from 1950 to 2000. See how it is shown. The information about the state of Assam, that is, the economy of Assam during the decades from 1950 to 2000, how the years are written and how the percentage shown in this particular line graph. This is a photo from your textbook. If you see the textbook on page number 148, you will understand how it is drawn and how you are going to transfer the information of this line graph to the descriptive paragraph. See here the paragraph of this particular information line graph. The above graph shows the comparative economy of the state of Assam to average economy of India during the years 1950 to 2000. In the beginning, the economy of both Assam and India seems to be steady. However, from the next following decades, the economy of India is increased. On the contrary, the economy of Assam remains dormant and decreasing as we compare it with Indian economy. In the year 2000, the highest growth is seen in both economies. The average economy of India has greatly increased from the year 1980, whereas the growth of economy of Assam has remained very slow. See how the paragraph is written. It is a comparative study of Indian economy and economy of state from India. So here we can understand how the statements, general statement is used, again statement of comparison and contrast is used, and the last sentence is about the particular result of the economy of Assam. So, in this way, you are going to learn how there is a line graph and how you are going to write down the paragraph with the help of the line graph, or vice versa, with the help of the descriptive paragraph you are going to draw a line graph. So this is the development of your writing skill, and at the same time you must write down it logically, sentences one by one. The first sentence must be about the initial statement and about the subject of the particular line graph or any table or flow chart or the bar diagram or pie diagram. Next is about that there are other types of charts: bubble chart, donut chart, area diagram are a few other ways of presenting information graphically. Bubble chart, it is presented the information in the bubbles, so it is called as a bubble chart. Again, donut chart, it is a shape of donut, that's why it is called donut chart. And area diagram, it is about the particular area, that's why it is called area diagram. And in this way you are going to write down the descriptive paragraph with the help of the these various types of visual presentations. So here we end. In exercise there is a prepare a tree diagram. There is a task, that is prepare a tree diagram with the help of the information given below. There is a two tasks here are, and write a paragraph based on the following diagram. Here is another bar diagram is given, and you have to complete the descriptive paragraph with the help of this bar diagram. So in the next lecture we will learn about the next module of your communication, and till then try to practice for this descriptive paragraph and remember all the types which we learn in this particular module. In the next lecture we will learn about the next module which is related to your communication skill, that is about the English for banking and industries. It gives information, and you are going to practicing about notice, agenda and minutes in it. So till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.